Lip oils are everywhere right now. Like every influencer is dripping with them. Every brand is launching one every week. So here's the real question. Is it good for you? Is it worth your money? Or is it going to do the work which is said it is going to be done? Let's talk. So hello, I'm Jasleen. Welcome to Review with Jasleen, where honesty meets drama. A little drama, a lot of talk, and a lot of honesty. So let's get going. Today we are reviewing the lip oils. If you need them, is it worth your time? Is it worth your money? What does it actually do? And what is the sole purpose of it? So let's get started. Let's start with the basic. What is a lip oil? Generally, it is a mix between a lip balm and a lip gloss, a little thick viscosity, and yes, it doesn't work. It is supposed to give you that juicy glass-like shine, but also provide nourishment, and it is considered to be a little weightless. Here's the twist. Not all lip oils are made in the same way. Some are a little treatment product and some are just cosmetics, and others are a fancy name for a lip gloss. The next question is if they really work. Lip oils can hydrate. They generally hydrate and moisturize it, but they not work in that way. If your lips are already moisturized, they just lock in the moisture. They do not moisturize it themselves. There is where a lip oil wins. The win-win situation is they provide shine. Shine, extra shine. Some lip oils are infused with vitamin E, jojoba oil, almond oil, and a lot more oils, a lot different type of oils which actually provide nourishment to the lips. Most lip oils fade really fast, but then shine stays. So you can use it three way. You can use them before applying a lipstick, dab it up, or you can use them while sleeping. Why are lip oils so expensive? Let's address the elephant in the room. So right now we are just paying for the packing, the shine, the trauma, the gloss, the nourishment, the ingredients, of course. A lot of companies, they have lip oils which we are just paying for the brand name, just by the way, but the others actually work. So if we talk about the experience, so they are being marketed as something that is a luxury and a must for your dressing or your vanity. But good lip oils, they do have that non-sticky, smooth feeling, and they are filled up with essential oils and the pigments that are good for your lips or your skin. So yes, at some point of time, you're paying for that feeling. So now let's talk about the hidden truth that nobody talks about. So if your lips are really dry and chappy, most lip oils are not going to work on it. They are generally heavy, they are non-moisture providant. They're basically an oil that can sit over the top of your lip balm, but they cannot work as your lip balm. They're more of a glow-up product, a final touch, a smooth shine, and a luxury moment. So now let's talk about how to find the perfect lip oil for yourself. So here's a checklist about how you can find a perfect lip oil. So it should be lightweight, non-sticky texture, the real oils in the ingredients and not just the mineral oil. No overpowering fragrance. It doesn't feel like plastic gloss. It should be a slight tint if you like color. Bonus is if you find any lip oil with ceramides or squalene for that extra nourishment. If the first three ingredients are only silicone and fragrance, you better run. Who should use lip oils? So lip oils are really good for people who love glosses, who love that shine, who are okay with a little heavy product on the lips. If your lips peel off easily, or they are beyond repair, or they need deep repair, or they're extremely cracked and it pains, in the winters, they're just tapping and bleeding, then you need to avoid the lip oils. So here's the final verdict. Are lip oils actually worth buying? Yes. If you are using it as a shiner or a luxury moment or something that if you want to seal in the moisture, but no if you are looking for a healing option. If you found this helpful, you can subscribe my channel for more honest reviews, luxury style and beauty style, and you can read more about the lip oils in detail in my blog, which is reviewwithjasleen.com. So stay tuned, stay connected. I'm going to see you guys super soon. Thanks.